Hey guys, welcome to Flamboyant Flavors. I am Reena, and in this video I'm gonna show you a refreshing drink, sweet mango lassi. Lassi is one of the popular drink when you go dine in an Indian restaurant. It's very refreshing and it's easy to make at home. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel for future videos and do hit that like button if you enjoyed this recipe video. To make this mango lassi, I'll need a blender, and in a blender I'm gonna add 5 to 6 cubes of ice, 1.5 cups of frozen mango chunks. You can totally use fresh mango if you would like, it's your preference. If you prefer, you can also use mango puree or mango pulp that's sold in Indian stores. With that, I'm gonna add 1.5 cups of whole milk plain yogurt and about half cup of powdered sugar or as per your taste. You can also adjust the sugar level depending on how sour mango chunks and yogurt are. Actually, I went with 1/4 cup of sugar, but later I added additional 1/4 cup of sugar. So in total, I added half cup of sugar. Add about half cup of water so all the ingredients blend easily. Hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Please subscribe for new videos I post every week, and don't forget to hit that like button down below. Blend it till it gets little frothy. This is a good consistency of lassi. I'm going to transfer it in a glass. You can also add additional cubes of ice if you want. Now I'm going to garnish it with some chopped pistachio and couple of mango chunks. Sweet mango lassi is ready. It won't take more than 5 minutes to make this refreshing sweet mango lassi at home. So do give this a try. You can follow Flamboyant Flavors on Instagram. The link is down below in the description box. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and do hit that like button down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.